Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we are discussing about traditional communication versus digital communication. Let us start the video. First, traditional communication versus digital communication. Communication has evolved significantly over the years. Traditional communication involved methods like letters, telegrams, and face-to-face conversation. It was characterized by a personal touch and a sense of anticipation as people waited for a response. However, with the advancement of technology, digital communication has become the norm, transferring the way we connect with others. Next topic is what is digital communication. The communication system is a system which describes the information exchange between two points. The process of transmission and reception of information is called communication. Advantages of digital communication. First one, quick and efficient communication. Digital communication allows us to send and receive messages almost instantly, making it a fast and efficient way to communicate. Second one, convenient for remote communication. With digital communication, you can easily communicate with others no matter where you are located, making it convenient for remote work, long distance relationships. Third one, cost effective. Digital communication is often cheaper than traditional methods such as phone calls or physical mail, making it a cost-effective option for staying in touch. Fourth one, easy to organize and store. Digital communication allows you to easily organize and store your messages, making it to keep track of important conversations. Disadvantages of digital communication. First one, lack of personal connection. Digital communication can lack the personal touch and body language that face-to-face communication provides, making it difficult to fully understand the other person's intentions or emotions. Second one, prone to miscommunication. Without the ability to see the other person's facial expressions or hear their tone or voice, it can be easy to misunderstand or misinterpret the meaning of their message. Third one, dependence on technology. Digital communication relies on technology, which can be reliable or unavailable times, leading to communication breakdowns. Fourth one, loss of privacy. Digital communication leaves a digital footprint that can be accessed by third parties, leading to a loss of privacy and potential security breaches. Next, the shift to digital communication. First, advantages overcome traditional barriers. Digital communication has overcome geographical and temporal barriers, allowing instant and efficient interactions. Second, integration into daily life. The seamless integration of digital communication into everyday activities has led to a widespread shift towards its adoption. Third one, evolving technological landscape. The continuous development of digital platforms and tools has transformed the way individuals, businesses, and organizations communicate. Next, efficiency of digital communication. Real-time interactions. Digital communication enables real-time conversation, enhancing collaboration and decision-making process. Enhanced creativity. It allows seamless connectivity across various devices, facilitating easy access to information and resources. Relevance of traditional communication. Emotional value. Traditional communication methods hold emotional value, especially in personal intimate exchange. Cultural significance. They play a crucial role in preserving and showcasing cultural traditions and historical communication practices. Next topic is impact on human interaction. Altered social dynamics. There has been a shift in social interaction patterns due to the prevalence of digital communication impacting face-to-face connections. Virtual relationships. Virtual relationships and connections have become more prominent, redefining the essence of human interactions. Last topic, future trends in communication. First one, integration of AI. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning will revolutionize the efficiency and personalization of communication technologies. Second one, enhanced virtual reality. Virtual reality powered communication methods will transform the immersive nature of remote interaction. I hope my video helped you. Thank you for watching my video completely. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.